The Raptor X is an off-road caravan designed for those who want to take their adventures further afield. Built by Hunter Nature, a company based in Germany, the Raptor X is specifically designed to handle rough terrain. The Raptor X is a great option for those who are looking for a tough and comfortable off-road caravan. It is well equipped to handle the demands of off-road travel, and it provides a comfortable and relaxing place to stay at the end of a long day of exploring. The Caravan has a well-equipped kitchen with a sink, gas hob, and storage cupboards. The Raptor X also has a bathroom with a shower and toilet. The aluminum body is lightweight and durable, making it perfect for off-road travel. The XPS insulation keeps the Caravan cool in the summer and warm in the winter. The double-glazed windows help to insulate the Caravan and reduce noise. The independent suspension with double shock absorbers provides a smooth ride on rough roads. The Maverick Raptor is a compact off-road caravan designed for adventures off the beaten path. While it isn't quite as feature-rich as the fictional Raptor X we discussed earlier, it prioritizes essential features for a comfortable off-road camping trip for two people. Built on a galvanized chassis with an aluminum frame and composite cladding, the Raptor is designed to withstand tough terrain. Maverick's independent coil suspension with shock absorbers ensures a smooth ride on rough roads. The pop-up top provides additional sleeping space and headroom when deployed, and folds down for a lower profile while traveling. The Raptor 13 comes standard with a slide-out kitchen, a queen-sized bed, a compact bathroom with a shower and toilet, and ample storage space. 3 100-watt solar panels and 3 AGM deep-cycle batteries keep you powered up off the grid. A 285-liter water tank provides enough fresh water for your trip. The Romotow T8 is luxury caravan. This innovative trailer breaks away from the traditional boxy design with its unique swivel mechanism and focus on creating a luxurious outdoor living space. The most striking feature of the T8 is its patented rotating cabin. With the push of a button, the entire living area electronically swivels out 90 degrees from the main body, creating a spacious L-shaped floor plan. This innovative design transforms the trailer into a light-filled open area with panoramic views, perfect for connecting with nature. The T8's interior boasts high-quality finishes, modern design elements, and ample storage space. Large windows and an open floor plan contribute to a feeling of spaciousness. The base model comes equipped with a kitchen, bathroom, and a comfortable sleeping area. The Romotow is a unique and luxurious off-road caravan that prioritizes comfort, functionality, and creating a connection with the outdoors. While its price tag might be on the steeper side, for those seeking an exceptional camping experience, the T8 could be the perfect choice. Nicknamed the swinging caravan for its defining feature, the T8 is a high-end trailer built for those who desire comfort, functionality, and a touch of the dramatic on their off-grid adventures. The Hitch Hotel Traveler is a telescoping micro-camping trailer designed for easy transport and storage. Launched in 2020, it offers an innovative solution for adventurers who want a comfortable camping experience without the bulk of a traditional trailer. Unlike traditional trailers, the Hitch Hotel Traveler is incredibly compact. When closed, it's only 3.5 feet 107 centimeters long, making it easy to store in a garage or against the house. Even when fully extended, it's just 7.8 feet 2.4 meters long. This small size also allows you to tow it with a wider variety of vehicles, including sedans, hatchbacks, and even electric cars, not just large SUVs and trucks. The empty trailer weighs only 950 pounds, 431 kilograms, making it manageable for most vehicles to tow. The telescoping design allows for quick setup. Simply park, unhitch, and extend the trailer for a comfortable camping space. The Hitch Hotel Traveler opens up to create a roomy 7-foot cabin that can sleep 2 adults comfortably. The Rolling Unit XL trailer is a unique expandable trailer option that offers a large amount of space in a compact design. Here's what makes it stand out. The key feature of the Rolling Unit XL is its ingenious unfolding mechanism. In travel mode, it has a width of just 7.5 feet, 2.3 meters, making it easy to tow and maneuver. Once you reach your campsite, the trailer can be hydraulically expanded outwards to nearly double its size, creating a spacious living area of almost 323 square feet, 30 square meters. This makes it a great option for campers who want a more luxurious camping experience without the limitations of a traditional RV. The hydraulic system allows for quick and effortless setup. With the push of a button, the trailer expands or folds in just a few minutes. The Rolling Unit XL's versatility makes it suitable for various uses. It can be a comfortable camping trailer, a mobile office, or even a pop-up shop. The Rolling Unit XL trailer is a well-designed and innovative option for campers and outdoor enthusiasts who value both comfort and functionality. Its expandable design, spacious interior, and ease of use make it a great choice for creating a memorable outdoor experience. The Polydrops P17X Explorer is an off-road trailer designed for those who love adventure and want to camp comfortably amidst nature, even in remote locations. The P17X Explorer features an aluminum body with rock armor for protection against bumps and scrapes on trails. Enhanced ground clearance, 29-inch all-terrain tires and Timbren independent suspension system provide 15 inches of ground clearance, allowing you to navigate rough terrain with confidence. Solar power and battery. The trailer comes equipped with multiple solar panels and lithium iron phosphate batteries, enabling you to stay off-grid for extended periods. You can even boost the battery capacity up to 4.8 kilowatt hours or 12 kilowatt hours for additional power needs. The Hunter Nature NTR2X is a compact off-road caravan designed for couples who enjoy exploring remote locations in comfort. The aluminum body with electrostatic powder coating makes the NTR2X lightweight and easy to tow behind a variety of vehicles, not just large SUVs or trucks. The NTR2X comfortably sleeps two adults on a convertible dinette that transforms into a bed. A built-in kitchen comes equipped with a 2-burner gas stove, sink, and water supply. A refrigerator, Thetford or Dometic are common options, might be included depending on the configuration. The Hunter Nature NTR2X is a well-suited caravan for couples who crave adventure and want a comfortable off-road camping experience without sacrificing maneuverability or ease of towing. The NTR2X usually features a compact wet bath with a toilet, shower, and sink. The Kimberley Karavan is a hybrid off-road caravan manufactured by Kimberley Campers, a company known for their rugged and luxurious off-road campers and caravans designed for Australian conditions. The Kimberley Karavan combines the off-road prowess of a camper trailer with the comfort and amenities of a caravan, making it a versatile choice for adventure travelers. The key feature of the Kimberley Karavan is its innovative folding mechanism. This makes it easier to tow on rough terrain and maneuver on tight campsites. Once you reach your destination, the caravan unfolds hydraulically, creating a spacious and comfortable living area. The Kimberley Karavan is built with a strong galvanized steel chassis and independent coil suspension with dual shock absorbers for a smooth ride over bumps and uneven surfaces. Additionally, high ground clearance and off-road tires allow you to tackle challenging terrain with confidence. The unfolded caravan boasts a spacious interior with all the comforts of home, including a well-equipped kitchen, a comfortable sleeping area, a dinette, and a bathroom with a shower and toilet. The high-quality finishes and thoughtful design create a relaxing and enjoyable camping experience. The Kimberley Karavan comes equipped with features that enable off-grid camping, such as a solar power system and ample water storage tanks. The Kimberley Karavan comes in two floor plans, the Classic and the Escape. The Classic is a great choice for couples, while the Escape offers more space and can accommodate up to 4 people. The Kimberley Karavan is a well-equipped and luxurious off-road caravan that provides a comfortable and self-sufficient camping experience for those who love to explore remote destinations.